Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to DOOGEE T10. First of all, go into Play Store on both. Then you need to install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Following that, in order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can click on Not Now if you want to. In order to close it, tap on OK. Now choose Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive next to Send at the bottom of DOOGEE T10. Now go back to your Android to select all of your files from all of your categories at the top. You can choose multiple ones at once by clicking on those type of dots at the top left corners. If you wish to select only some of them, just click on the chosen ones. When you finished, tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you wish to scan this QR code, you can do that by tapping on this scanning icon above User Guide. Then choosing While Using or Only This Time, and pointing your device's camera at the code. If you want to, you can also input this key instead in Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and click on Receive. The last thing you need to do is pick one of the available options for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Then selecting Close this window. As you can see after that, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!